Transit of Jupiter in second house from Scorpio moon sign. Date start from 30th of June 2020 till 20th of November 2020. During this particular period, Jupiter will move through your second house from your moon sign Scorpio. This mostly denotes good timing. This could be a rewarding phase for you where you're likely to add to your present financial earnings, gaining profit in your business, trade. If you're a farmer, through agriculture, also spend money happily on yourself, achieving your flow of income, wealth, assets and savings. This period may also see you investing in land, property, real estate, and would help you to repay your debts if you have any. On the home front, this should be a happy phase, bringing happiness to your family, bringing happiness to your home. You may also expect to enjoy a married life. You may also expect a new member in the family. At work, you'll be able to gain confidence of your seniors, would also be able to influence others. You would gain over your enemies during this particular time. Socially, this should be a satisfying period for you. You're likely to command much more respect and you would experience heightened grandeur and dignity. Mentally, you will be at peace and you're also likely to sharpen your intellect during this particular time. Jupiter in second house, this transit has traditionally been associated with making lots of money, gaining wealth. There is something to do that for you. Will attempt to grow in the share of material possession and resources now. But in a large sense, what you are doing at this time is actualizing in your life whatever it is that you value. If it's a money or physical possession that you value, that is the area you will try to raise in and out through spiritually involving ideas or standard justice, whatever you will attempt to increase this dimension of your life. Obviously, then it is very important at this time to understand how you use your resources, because the chances are that you will indeed get more of what you want within the reason. Unfortunately, there is a great potential for mismanaging resources with this transit. If you are not clear about it, what you need and want, it's very easy to get so much of something that will run your life instead of making your life more pleasant and fulfilling. This is particularly true of effort to gain more money. What you must do at this time in your life, it is to look at your overall goal honestly and see what you really must have in order to achieve them. It will be relatively easy to make the necessary changes in your resources to help attain your goals. So plan these changes wisely. This is not a call for your local asceticism. If you want to buy something that is very expensive, perhaps a bit self-indulgent, there is no reason why you should not go after it. Just make sure that you really want it, that it is not merely a symbol of something you think you want it. Many people acquire possessions simply because they think they are expected to in order to show social status. To acquire for a reason of this sort would truly be a waste. Nevertheless, during this time, material resources can be a great comfort and you can drive a real and honest pleasure from them. In a large sense, you will learn more about yourself at this time through encountering possession, having to handle them. Managing the material world will be a great value in promoting self-understanding. For this reason, this is a good period in your life to invest money with little self-restraint or to buy possession either for enjoyment or for investment. Whenever you go through these situations in your life, this particular phase, in this particular time, empty 8th house from your moon chart. 8th house is occupied by Venus or Mercury or Rahu. 10th house is occupied by Saturn at the same time. Lack of flow of income, humiliation, financial losses. And please do raise your Jupiter with the help of following tasks. Please refrain from any form of consuming any form of non-vegetarian food, intoxication, alcohol. The Jupiter is transiting in your second house. Please refrain from that. Task number 2. Do you wear astrological activated gold and yellow sapphire in gold in right hand's index finger? Task number 3. Please cultivated land in your house. Please try to keep cultivated land, like keep a garden in your house or keep a lot of plant pot in your house. Task number 4. Please refrain from out of control behavior and words. Refrain from abusive language, please.